Welcome to week 2 of Women's Wellness Wednesdays. This Golden Valley Health Center's project is funded in partnership with EMC Health Foundation. Remember, you can win a great women's wellness swag bag by sharing this content and tagging a woman you care about. Welcome to your 60s. Let's talk about how to help you live your healthiest life. The information provided in these slides is adapted from the Department of Health and Human Services Office on Women's Health. Not all of the information may apply to your life. Golden Valley Health Center's providers are available to help you get personalized health care. Call or text us at 866-682-4842 to schedule an appointment today. Let's talk about things that you can do each day to keep yourself healthy. You can choose to focus on one thing each day or work toward doing all of these steps. Eat healthy foods. Use the MyPlate plan to get started. Go to choosemyplate.gov for more information. Get at least 30 minutes of physical activity each day. Each week, do aerobic activity and exercises to improve your balance and strengthen your muscles. And talk to your provider about any conditions that may limit your ability to do regular physical activity. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and reach and maintain a healthy weight for you. Get help to quit smoking or don't start smoking and limit alcohol use to 1 drink or less. Don't use illegal drugs or misuse prescription drugs. Wear a helmet when riding a bike and wear protective gear for sports. Wear a seatbelt in cars and don't text and drive. There's also a lot that you can do to stay sexually healthy at any age. Limiting the number of sexual partners and using a condom each time they have sex are 2 great ways people help protect their sexual health. Now let's talk about things that may be important for you to share with your provider at your next Wellwoman Visit. A Wellwoman Visit is a yearly preventive checkup, and it's a great time to check in on how you're doing, how you'd like to be doing, and what changes you can make to reach your health goals. Talk with your provider about your weight, diet, and physical activity level. Talk about whether you use tobacco, alcohol, or drugs, and any violence in your life. Also, please talk about depression or any other mental health concerns. Also talk about who will be able to make healthcare decisions for you if you become unable to make them yourself. And finally, please share your unique story with your provider so they can understand what makes you, you. At your next Wellwoman Visit, your provider may recommend the following tests, medications, or vaccines. The decision to get any medical test or procedure at any age is a personal one between you and your provider. These recommendations may not apply to every person. Your provider may recommend that you have tests to check your blood pressure, cholesterol, to check for colorectal cancer, diabetes, hepatitis C. They may also recommend that you be tested for lung cancer, particularly if you smoke currently or if you've quit within the last 15 years. They may also check you for osteoporosis, provide you with a PAP and HPV. It's also recommended that each person have at least 1 HIV test during their lifetime, and sexually transmitted disease testing may also be appropriate for you. Your provider may recommend that you have a mammogram. Your provider may also recommend that you have a test for tuberculosis. Your provider may recommend medications if you're managing a chronic disease. They may also recommend that you start taking a low-dose aspirin or a medication for any urinary incontinence. Your provider may also recommend that you have a flu shot, as well as vaccines for hepatitis A and B, measles, mumps, and rubella, meningitis, pneumonia, shingles, and tetanus, diphtheria, and whooping cough. Check out our other videos this week for women of all ages. Remember, you can win a great women's wellness swag bag by sharing this content and tagging a woman you care about. Schedule your appointment today by calling or texting 866-682-4842, and thanks again to our partners at EMC Health Foundation.